Islam has the solution for alcoholism and drug addiction. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 90, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, innamal khamru wal maisuru. Oh, you believe, most certainly intoxicants and gambling. Wal ansabu wal azlamu, dedication of stones, divination of arrows, rijsum min amali shaitan. These are Satan's handiwork. Fashtanibu la'allakum tuflihun. Abstain from this handiwork that you may prosper. In Islam, alcoholism, drug addiction, it is prohibited. Every year, according to WHO, more than 4 million people die only because of alcoholism. You know, America, a few decades earlier, they tried to ban alcohol, knowing it's very bad for health. When they tried, the government collapsed. There was bootlegging, there was illegal alcohol, and the government collapsed. They again got back alcohol. 1400 years ago, just because the Prophet recited the verse of the Quran, barrels of alcohol were emptied in Medina, never to be filled again. What America with all its power could not do for many years, our Prophet did with just one verse. One verse of the Quran he recited, and the barrels of alcohol were emptied in Medina, never to be filled again.